Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to customize the header section in Hostinger website builder. So first, open your website and edit it. Now here is the header section. Now in order to edit this or customize, simply click on any element from here. For example, I click on this. Here on the logo, you can replace it with the other image. Also, you can change the width of the logo by hovering this one. For the style, you can input header, button, and social icons. For header, here you can change the text font. You have many text fonts here, for example, this one. And now let's go to elements. Here, you can either check this show logo, this one, or uncheck it. Let's just put it on. You can also show your social icons. Here you go. And another button. You will input a function here by clicking on this one. Now for the layout, you have here 5 different layout. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and last one. Here you can change the top and bottom setting, spacing. Let's do like that. And the link spacing, like that, and the element spacing. You can also make header sticky or not. And that's basically the overview on how you customize the header section of your Hostinger website builder. And that's basically it.